Hi there, it's Harry from Berthon. Today I'm going to be showing you over MARGO 2, which is a 2020-2021 launched model of an Axopar 37 Brabus line. Let's jump on board. Right guys, here we are on a very bright and sunny day in Lymington. We're outside MARGO 2. She is an Axopar 37 sports cabin Brabus line. She was built in 2020, launched in 2021. Still in her first ownership. And as you can see, when we get a little bit closer, she really is presenting amazingly well, and credit to her owner. This seating just on the right hand side is all removable and stores very neatly inside, and just creates the bow section just very sociable space. She's finishing this Nyrox dark grey diamond stitch upholstery, which really sets her apart from some of the other Axopars out there. Large sunroof that goes all the way back. It's got a separate cover that clips on, and those roll bars where you can fit a couple of paddle boards or a dinghy, and you've also got the 4 rod holders, which you'll see in a little while. Just on the back here we've got the ever amazing twin 300 Verado V8s. They've covered a circa about 93 hours and just really are amazing bits of kit. Another sun pad at the back there, still finishing this lovely Nyrox, which is like a marine suede. Either side we have these fender storage baskets, also for warps or for really anything. Really deep, great space, lockers basically. She is, as I mentioned, she is the Brabus line, so as you walk around you will notice certain features such as the cleats in the interior. You've got Brabus wheel and other features. As you walk around you'll notice them quite clearly. Just looking over this upholstery again, it's amazing condition. Got several lockers up the front here, one being your anchor locker, a large delta on the front, all ran by a Lumar windlass. Just walking back down these nice wide side decks, feel really safe when you're going along, so about just above knee level. Just looking in the cockpit here, you've got the single Garmin plotter, the twin Mercury throttles. That's the Brabus wheel I was talking about. Mercury management system. You've got your side power bow thruster, and you've got your tabs all on your right hand side. Got a Fusion MS system there, a few speakers in the cockpit here and the dining area. Speaker down below in the aft cabin and a speaker in the front cabin. We've also got speakers up at the bow. Just around here we've got an L-shaped dinette with a fold-out table. All teak throughout in the cockpit. Looking back here, you've got really generous space, really light and airy. And this seat basically just acts as a door, drops back down, and then you have a full seating area in the cockpit. Massive windows all round, huge sunroof, loads of air, loads of natural light. It's amazing space to be in once anchored and going along really. Here we have the master, straight down to the bow. Really, never really been slept in. Still in amazing condition. You've got the single heads there and your fuse board. And over to your right, you had a sink and just a worktop space. Large fridge in there. Keep all drinks nice and cold. I'm just going to go back on the pontoon and look back over from the bow down. So guys, here we have it. This is MARGO 2. She's an Axopar 37 sports cabin Brabus line. She's available for immediate handover at Berthon. Thank you.